morning to all the students of class 12th RS Inter College Kanpur. Yesterday I taught you the poetry named My Heaven, composed by Rabindranath Tagore. As I told you yesterday that Thakur Rabindranath Tagore was the great dramatist, great novelist, great short story writer and the great poet. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for his great composition Gitanjali. The poem My Heaven is also the part of Gitanjali. You should know that Rabindranath Tagore is the writer of our Indian national anthem Jan Gan Man, which is sung very eagerly by the Indians in the schools, colleges and at the offices on 15th August and 26th January or Republic Day and Independence Day. The poet is full of patriotism and his patriotism can be seen in this poem also. The poet loved his country very much and he imagined for an ideal country, and he also in this poem desires or praise the God that he should make the countrymen Indians fearless and self-respected, so that they may work hard without realizing laziness in their mission, and until their mission is completed they should not go away from their path. The poet says that he desires that his countrymen may be broad-minded. They should not be narrow-minded, so may that quarrel together due to casteism, religion and traditions, so that all may jointly work hard for the progress of the country, not only for the countrymen but for the all people of all the world. Such kind of thinking of Indians may be, and they should be lover of the country and the freedom of the country, and they may stand together to face difficulties which come in India. India may be prosperous by their hard work. All the citizens may be so laborious that the whole country or the all Indians may progress by leaps and bounds, and the whole country may be prosperous, rich and happy, and its name and fame may spread at every corner of the world. The poet's last desire is that the countrymen may be like the angel, the messenger of God, who thinks good only, not for the personal benefits but for the benefits of all human beings. So he requests God that his country may be like the heaven on the earth. He should bless the countrymen and bless India to be great and most respectful in the world. So that is you have to write down central idea, and this central idea I am sending you through WhatsApp. Then take out your pen, open the copy and at once start writing central idea of this poem. For homework I have given homework also you have to do daily. You remember that when the lockdown finishes, your homework will be checked. So you have to do homework daily. Thank you very much.